A Tesla Cybertruck owner was seen driving through the Miami flooded road without any issues. Firstly, driving through a flooded road is a very stupid thing to do, unless you absolutely know the road. Tesla's wade mode allowed the Cybertruck to drive through water by utilizing a mechanism whereby the vehicle is lifted and the battery pack is pressurized to create a barrier that prevents water ingress. Not exactly a game changer, but still impressive, right? That wade mode comes in handy for city driving, especially with all these flood-prone areas around. Still, it's not like the Cybertruck can just go swimming or anything. The wade mode showcases the advanced engineering behind Tesla's electric vehicles, making them versatile and resilient in challenging conditions. We have seen previously Cybertruck turning flooded roads into mere puddles,